Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here once again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most delicious mushroom sauce. This sauce can go with anything. It can go with chicken, it can go with pork, you can put it on top of a steak. It really is wonderful. It's easy to do. Stay with me and let's get cooking. So for this recipe we're going to need mushrooms. I purchased these from our local store, our supermarket. We're going to need a clove of garlic, just one will do, crushed, half a white onion that's been chopped, 1 cup of cream, just a thin cream will do. These are our herbs, 1 teaspoon of each, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of thyme. Then we need our vegetable stock, about half pint, some Parmesan cheese that's been finely grated, half a glass of white wine, some pepper and some sea salt. So in a pan we add some butter, followed by some cooking oil, followed by the onions. In they go. Cook these down for a little while to soften, become a little bit translucent. Then once that's done, we can add the garlic. Crush that in. I never did get on with this. Come from Harrods too. One of the most expensive shops in the world. It's all stuck inside. Ugh. Right, let's move on, shall we? Now we can add our mushrooms. Pop those in. Oh, that's a lovely sizzle. Oh, I do like that. Stir these around. As I said, you can use any mushrooms of your choice. These ones just happened to be handy when I was shopping. Now it's time to go in with our stock. In that goes. Lovely, delicious, good quality stock. Stir this all in. Those mushrooms are going to soak up all that flavour. Then our glass of wine. Well, actually it's half a glass of wine. Then a cup of cream. In that goes. Followed by the herbs. And followed by the Parmesan cheese. I'll spread this about as evenly as possible. I don't want to go in and end up as one big solid lump. That wouldn't be very nice at all, would it? Then our seasoning. In that goes. Salt and pepper. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, 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 stir. We're going to let this reduce down until it comes to be like this. Now this is a sauce. It's reduced and thickened. So now it's time for our taste test. But first I'm going to sprinkle over some freshly cut chives from our garden. And also a little bit more of this lovely delicious grated Parmesan cheese. So here we go. Don't burn yourself. Very, very tasty. Just what I wanted. Loads of mushroom flavour. It's that time of the year. Go picking mushrooms and get cooking sauce. See you next time, guys, and bye for now. Now I'll leave you with a few shots of the finished dinner. Here we have it, a delicious mushroom sauce alongside some chicken, some purple sprouting broccoli, rice and peas. A very delicious meal. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already done so. And if you do, don't forget to hit that bell. I have hundreds of delicious recipes and new ones coming out every week.